to worry about what's on your mind. Oh no. I'm in no hurry, I can take my time. Oh no. I'm going red and my tongue's getting tired. So I'm getting tired. I'm off my head and my mouth's getting dry. I'm high, but I try. Let's spend the night together. Now I need you more than ever. Let's spend the night together now. Ba 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 bam bam ba 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 bam bam ba 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 ba. I feel so strong as I can't disguise. Oh no. Ba 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 ba. I just came to apologize. No no. Let's spend the night together. Don't hang me up, don't let me down, don't let me down. We get up and just moving around, around and around. Oh no, 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 let's spend the night together. Now I need you more than ever. Let's spend the night together. Let's spend the night together. Now I need you more than ever. Do-do-do-do-do. You know I'm smiling, baby. You need some guiding, baby. I'm just deciding, baby, now I need you more than ever. Let's spend the night together. Let's spend the night together now. Ba 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 ba. Let's spend the night together. Ba 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 ba. Well, hi there, pluckers. Habersaw Fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson. Another golden oldie. This one's from the Rolling Stones, of course, and a song called "Let's Spend the Night Together." Please excuse my voices. I think I'm going down with something. But anyway, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, as you can see. I'm doing it in the original key of D, okay, which was recorded in, okay. Right then, boys and girls, the intro is very simple. It's based on a D chord, and basically I'm doing, there are different ways of doing this, but this is the way I've done it, okay. So it's like D, and then you put your pinky up to the 4th fret on the 3rd string to make a D6, and then you put your pinky up again to the 5th fret to make like a D7, and then back to the D6. So it's like, okay, but you're doing that with your little pinky, okay, so it's, okay. An easier way, if you don't like doing it like that with the chord, you could just use the 3rd and 4th strings and just do that. Okay, there's that way of doing it. There's also this way of doing it. Doing the kind of D chord, but fingering's a bit different. It's 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the top E string, pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd to make the D up. Okay, so it's 2 strokes on that sort of thing. Then take the pinky off, so you play the B string open. Then put that 1st finger onto the 1st fret of the 2nd string to make the D7, so it's like, and then take it off, leave it to go back to the D6 with the B string open, and then back to the D again. Okay, so it's, So there's 3 ways you can do that, okay, but I'm going to do this one, the one I showed you in the demo, so it's a okay, so it does that once, then it does it again, but you sing over it, ba 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 ba, and then we go to a G chord, ba 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 ba, a B minor, ba 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 ba, back to the D riff again, ba 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 ba, just for the one, okay? So you do one on its own, then sing over it, ba 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 ba. Then we do a G chord. Now you can do a G chord like the standard G if you like that. I'm doing it as an F shape, but with the you can do it as simple F on the 3rd fret, simple F shape. I tend to use it like this, like that. So this 3rd finger's from that F shape on the 3rd fret. The 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string, the A string, 5th fret, and the pinky takes over on the 5th fret of the 4th string, 5 downwards, or you could use the bar chord, full G based bar chord 3rd fret. And then the 2nd chord is a B minor. So B minor bar chord if you like that, or a simple B minor like that. So that's 1st string, top E string, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret with the 2nd finger, and then the 4th fret of the 4th string and 3rd string with your 3rd finger and pinky, 4 downwards if you do that. So it's like G, B minor, and then back to the D again, okay? Or if you just want to do bar chord, quite nice, D, okay, whichever. So, the intro. Ba 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 bam 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 ba bam 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 bam. Then we go back to the G and the B minor again for the 1st line of the verse. Don't you worry about what's on your mind, and then the riff, ba 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 ba, G, I'm in no hurry again, B minor, take my time, oh D, the riff, ba 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 ba. Then we come to this pretty chorus sort of thing, C, I'm going red, my tongue's getting G, tired, sun's getting D, tired, back to C, I'm off my head, mouth's getting B minor, dry, I'm high, I try, then we go back to the riff again, let's spend the night together, now I need you more than ever, let's spend the night together, G, now ba 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 B minor, ba 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 riff, ba 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 ba, and then we go into the next verse, which is the G, you know, feel so strong that I can't disguise, oh yeah, that bit again, right? So we just do the whole intro and the 1st verse, and then you got 90% of the song, okay? So here we go, from the very, I'll play it slowly, okay? So here we go, from the beginning. Ba 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 ba. Don't you worry about what's on your mind, oh no. Ba 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 ba. I'm in no hurry, I can take my time, oh yeah. Ba 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 ba. I'm going red, my tongue is getting tired, my tongue's getting tired. I'm up my head, my mouth's getting dry, I'm high, but I'll try. Let's spend the night together, now ba 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 ba. Second verse, I feel so strong, and so on. Okay. Now there was a little bit there I didn't show you on the sort of pre-chorus bit where it goes C. I'm going red, the tongue's getting G tired, sun's getting tired. That bit, okay. If you want to put that in, it's quite easy. So you got that C. I'm getting red, my tongue's getting G tired, my tongue's getting tied. So I do a strum on the D. Then I hit that top E string on the second fret on the D chord, right? Sorry. And then I play the second string on the third fret. Then take that second finger off the top E string so the top string's open. So it's, and then put it back on the second fret, top E string, right? Got that? So that's getting tired red, the tongue's getting tired, the tongue's getting tired. Okay, then C. I'm off my head, my mouth be my tired, riff, and off into the chorus. Okay, so that's it. So then you do verse 2, exactly the same to play as verse 1, but then you come to the bridge section. So it's like let's spend the night together. Now I need you more than ever. Let's spend the night together. C, just a nice strum on the C, single strum to do. Let's spend the night together. G, now I need you more than ever. And then it goes C with a do-do-do-do-do. Back to G. You know I'm smiling, baby. Then start strumming again on C. You know I'm guiding, baby. G. I'm just deciding, baby. D now. And then as soon as you go into that, you start the riff again. Okay, so it's like let's spend the night together. G. Now I need you more than ever. C. Do-do-do-do-do. Back to G. You know I'm smart, C strum, you need some guiding, baby. G, I'm just decided, D, baby, now I need you more than ever. Riff, I need the night together. Let's spend the night together now. Ba 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 ba. And you go into verse 3, and then it just repeats more the same, okay, different words, okay. So that's it, babe, my down and simple version of Let's Spend the Night Together from the Rolling Stones. Hope you enjoyed that, and a bit of a laugh, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.